We are always on the road, coming to a town, a village, or a city next to you. The aim is one, to make Kenya a JiPOS nation. And it doesn't just end here in Kenya, but we are taking this gospel across the entire East African region. JiPOS works, and it works for everyone. Spirit of occupying Kenya. Where are you today?
This is Nyahururu, Nyandarua. I think there's a vocational training, Nyandarua vocational training.
That is Nyandarua Vocational Training Center.
Yeah. So this is Nyahururu so far, and we are going somewhere here, Njata.
This side. Inside the towards Lake Olbolosat. Hey,
something like that. Yeah, something like that.
So what takes you there? What takes you there?
It is JiPOS. Katika harakati za occupy Kenya, tuko na JiPOS.
And you have found yourself here, right here.
Right here in Nyandarua County.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's JiPOS and this hotel, full-fledged hotel setup.
Nyahururu.
Nyahururu.
All right. What do we expect today?
Training, setup, installation, everything should run out smooth. If there are hitches, we'll handle them as they come. Nothing else. Yeah.
That's okay.
Yes.
What do we say? What do you say to our viewers today?
Keep it JiPOS, occupy Kenya and occupy East Africa. There's nothing else. Katika harakati. Kwenye harakati ama katika harakati. Katika harakati. Katika harakati. Occupy Kenya. Because we are occupying it through JiPOS. This product has made us see places, and this time round we are inside Nyandarua County. Just next to the border with Laikipia County. Just a few meters you will see Nyahururu town. Nyahururu, that is how they call it. But we are going this other side, of course, for a JiPOS installation in a place called Njata Country House. That is a full-fledged hotel. What we are talking about is what? JiPOS is working. JiPOS is working for everyone. Keep it here. Occupy Kenya.
Occupy Kenya. And East Africa, by the way. Everywhere. We are headed somewhere. This one.
Can you see it?
Njata Country House.
Yeah.
Yes. Of course, for what?
JiPOS installation.
Always.
Full-fledged hotel.
Tukizuru, tuna install.
Hakuna kitu ingine.
Tuna occupy. This time, this is a Friday, Thursday, right here in Nyandarua. Yesterday we were in Naivasha. Next week we are in Mombasa. Ivo, tukioccupy Kenya, and before you know it, we have occupied East Africa. JiPOS. It works, and it works for everyone. Welcome to Njata Country House, a hidden gem located just 4 kilometers from Nyahururu town towards the Olkalau. This hotel offers a perfect escape into nature with the cool weather and breathtaking glimpse of the Aberdare Mountains. With free parking and conference facilities that can accommodate over 50 guests, Njata Country House is perfect for both leisure and business gatherings. And if you're on budget, of course they got you covered. Their spacious balconies offer a serene view of the neighborhood, allowing you to take in the tranquility of the surroundings. The atmosphere here is sometimes very cold since it's located near the Aberdares, but you have a plenty of things you can do here to keep you warm. To enhance guest experience, they have now installed JiPOS, an innovative point-of-sale system designed for the hospitality industry. Actually, not even a point of sale, but an ERP. JiPOS offers a range of features that will transform how you serve your guests if you run a hotel like this. From real-time order management to seamless payment processing, this system ensures efficiency and enhances customer satisfaction. With JiPOS, the team at Njata can now provide quicker services, ensuring you as a guest spend more time enjoying your stay and less time waiting. Whether you are here for a conference, for a family getaway, or a peaceful retreat, Njata, powered by JiPOS, is committed to making your experience exceptional. Come visit Njata Country House, where nature meets comfort and hospitality is now redefined.
What's up? What's up? Good evening.
Good evening, good evening.
Is it the cold or you're tired?
It's cold. My friend, it's cold. It's freezing cold.
And where's this place that is too cold?
This is Nyahururu. So if you've been to Nyahururu, cold, I hear it's been raining here, so it's very cold.
And what's the time right now?
So, yeah, 6:45.
Okay.
It's 6:45.
So 6:45 where specifically in Nyahururu?
This is Njata Country House. Yeah, Njata Country House. Just this 6 or 7 kilometers before you reach Nyahururu. That is if you're coming from Naivasha from Naivasha.
Gilgil.
Gilgil. Yeah.
Okay. So what brings you to Njata?
We are here for always. JiPOS ERP.
You're here to occupy.
We are here to occupy Njata and Nyahururu. Yeah. Being our first client in Nyahururu, so we are so proud of Njata Country House.
Yeah.
They offer accommodation, bar, restaurant, and also playing ground for kids. So you can come over, yeah. Stay. That is the rooms accommodation. Of course, they're still expanding, so some parts of the building is still under construction.
Yep.
The playing ground is there. Some parking at the bar just right behind me. There is also the kitchen right behind me. Yeah. So these are the gazebos.
Yep. Interesting. So your experience so far today, it is your day one, I understand.
Perfect experience. A lot of training to do. On the front office, that is the reservation bookings, cashier, waiting staff, and sale management. Then a lot of stuff to do on the back office stuff. That is cost controls, procurement, expenses, and control on user accounts, and all those particular configurations when it comes to inventory. And of course, all the last one being counting stuff. So
Awesome.
it's been some work, let me say so, on the back office.
I understand again you have just replaced the system here.
True.
There was an existing system.
Yeah, they're using a desktop application, standalone, and that is what you've replaced with the JiPOS.
Okay. So what does JiPOS bring on board which the other one didn't?
A lot of things, a lot.
Okay.
The staff are just excited. There's just a lot of things that are like, wow, okay. So there's just a lot of things. Full automation, all in one system, easy to use.
Awesome.
Perfect reports.
In line with the user management, understanding of the software, what do you have to rate? How do you rate the users here? The ones you've trained?
They're good to go. We say they're chap. Yeah.
Okay.
So the uptake is fast, being that they've been using a system before, and then we bring in a new, better system and easier system to use in terms of navigation and operations. So they've just picked it so fast. Yeah, they're saying it's very easy to use, and that is a plus for us. It reduces our time spent training.
Okay.
Yes.
Interesting. That's nice. So what's next?
Next is take some food and have some night rest. Wait tomorrow so that you can wrap this up in the morning hours. Yeah.
Awesome.
We are going live tomorrow here.
Okay.
Yes.
Interesting. Anyone for the users, for our viewers?
Keep it JiPOS. Occupy Kenya, occupy East Africa. We'll be at your doorstep, or in your town, or in your city, or in your village. Wherever you are, we'll be there next time.
All right. Thank you.